Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to flip or invert a video using the CapCut app on your phone. Whether you want to mirror your video or rotate it upside down, I've got you covered. First, open the CapCut app and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit and add it to the timeline. Once your video is on the timeline, tap on the video clip to open the editing options below. Now scroll through the toolbar and tap on Edit if it's not already selected. From here, tap Mirror. This will flip your video from left to right, like a reflection. If you want to rotate your video instead, maybe to turn it upside down or sideways, just tap the Rotate button. Each tap rotates the video 90 degrees, so keep tapping until it's in the position you want. Once you're happy with the result, tap the Export button at the top to save the flipped or inverted video to your device. And that's it! You've just learned how to flip or invert a video in CapCut using your phone. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.